probably going to be the best piece of advice that you can get. The only reason why most people want all these different plans, you want all these different ideas and different businesses, because you want a guarantee of success. You just want to make sure that you don't fail. I met this one young man. He sent me a message, and I think he's in the network marketing industry, okay? He's trying to sell something in the network marketing industry. And then I look on his Facebook page, and he's talking about photography. What? So I'm thinking in my mind, because I'm already rich, I'm thinking, how is this young man is going to be the best network marketer on the planet that's going to reap millions of dollars, which only 1% of people do, if he's spending his time and focus in two different things? If you're trying to do more than one thing, if you have plan A, B, C, and D, B, C, and D distract from the original plan.